Here it is. It's our snack vending machine. It's almost done. I wanted to get it posted tonight to at least turn in the assignment, but what we've got is 5 keys that we give to each of the kids. So they have their own key and we can load it with snacks for the week. And then they just put in their key and it makes their own row of the vending machine turn. So here's this one. That's the idea. I want to be able to lock it. That's another stat. We can load it up and then I'll put a lock on there. And then you can see the wiring, how it's done. The batteries are inside of there. All that it is the key engages this switch, which then turns on a motor. That's how it works. It's really pretty easy. So there's a bunch of finishing touches. I need to finish the melamine. I've got the edging and we've got the hidden hinges. I just got to clean it up, but I wanted to post this at least.